food, which is why I am going to make something really yummy for all the non-vegetarians out there. So I am going to make chicken keema. So let's start.
Here we have 2 large chopped onions, puree of 2 tomatoes, cinnamon stick, 1 big cardamom, star anise, and 3 cloves. Here is a ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon haldi, a little bit of kasuri methi, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chicken masala, little bit of green peas, and pudina and coriander. In a kadai, put 3 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of jeera. Once the jeera starts crackling, you're gonna add the whole spices, cinnamon stick, star anise, this whole cardamom, and 3 cloves. Roast these khada masala for half a minute. Then add 2 large chopped onions. Give it a nice mix. When the onion turns slightly translucent, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste in it. And keep sauteing till the raw smell goes away from the ginger garlic paste. When the onions are cooked nicely, add 2 tomato purees and cook this for another 15 minutes. In this now add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of chicken masala, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon haldi. Give this a nice mix and make sure all the masalas are coming together. In this masala, add half a bowl of green peas, and then here goes our minced chicken. This is 800 grams of chicken. In this now add salt and a glass of water. Give this a mix and cover it. Now let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Let's look at our chicken keema now. Ooh, look at that color. Lastly, in this we'll add kasuri methi, 2 teaspoons, and some coriander and pudina. Give this a nice mix. And voila, your chicken keema is ready.